Tapo C530WS security camera reviewed durable outdoor surveillance. With 5 megapixels clarity and advanced features. In an era where home security is paramount, having a reliable, durable, and intelligent security camera is more important than ever. The Tapo C530WS by TP-Link is a standout device designed to meet these needs. Combining weather-resistant durability with high-resolution imaging and smart features, this camera offers an excellent solution for both indoor and outdoor surveillance. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes the Tapo C530WS a compelling choice for your security needs. One of the most notable aspects of the Tapo C530WS is its robust build. Designed specifically for outdoor use. Unlike many indoor cameras, this model features a weatherproof housing certified with an IP66 rating. This means it can withstand harsh environmental conditions such as heavy rain, intense sunlight, dust storms, and other challenging outdoor elements, without compromising performance or reliability. The camera's form factor is familiar. A spherical camera module mounted on a base that allows extensive rotation, offering 360 degrees of horizontal and 130 degrees of vertical movement. This design enables comprehensive coverage and flexible installation, ensuring you won't miss any critical spots. TP-Link has clearly invested in enhancing the Tapo C530WS's durability by carefully designing all connection points to resist water ingress. Both the power port and the RJ45 Ethernet port are routed through attached cables that extend outside the main camera body. This reduces the number of entry points on the camera housing itself, significantly boosting water resistance. To further secure these vulnerable connection points, the camera package includes rubber gaskets and specially designed caps for the power and Ethernet plugs. These accessories help seal out dust and moisture effectively during outdoor operation. For DIY installers without professional technical assistance, it's important to follow the instructions carefully when plugging in power and Ethernet cables to maintain the IP66 rated protection. Additionally, the package provides mounting hardware and rubber pads, simplifying wall installations and ensuring that the camera is tightly sealed against the mounting surface. A distinguishing feature of the Tapo C530WS is its 2 external Wi-Fi antennas, positioned on either side of the camera body. These detachable antennas are designed to enhance wireless signal reception and transmission significantly, compared to internal antennas found on many competing models. TP-Link specifies that under open space conditions without obstacles, the C530WS can achieve a Wi-Fi signal range of up to 150 meters. This impressive range enables flexible placement options for your camera, without being tethered to Ethernet cables, which might be cumbersome or impossible in certain installations. The camera is equipped with a 5-megapixel image sensor capable of capturing video at a resolution of 2880 by 1620 pixels, also known as 3K. This resolution is a notable step above common 1080p cameras, providing noticeably sharper and more detailed video footage. During daylight or well-lit conditions, the Tapo C530WS delivers clear, vibrant images with excellent color separation and smooth transitions between bright and shadowed areas. This clarity can be critical for accurately identifying faces, license plates, or other fine details during security monitoring. Night vision is a critical aspect of any outdoor security camera, and the Tapo C530WS excels in this area with its Starlight Color night vision technology. Unlike traditional infrared night vision that produces black and white images, this technology leverages built-in LED lights to illuminate scenes with natural-looking color, even in low-light or nighttime environments. When the camera detects motion, whether a person, vehicle, or animal, it instantly switches from monochrome infrared mode to full-color mode. This immediate transition helps users recognize and assess events more accurately, enhancing security effectiveness after dark. Tapo C530WS incorporates sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms to accurately detect and classify different types of objects, including people, vehicles, and pets. This smart detection helps reduce false alarms triggered by irrelevant motions such as moving leaves or shadows. Users receive timely notifications only when significant motion is detected, ensuring they stay informed about genuine security concerns. Without unnecessary interruptions, equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, the Tapo C530WS supports two-way audio communication. This feature enables direct interaction with visitors, delivery personnel, or potential intruders remotely through the camera's app. Whether you want to greet guests at the door, warn someone to keep away, or monitor activity in sensitive areas, like offices or backyards, the two-way talk function adds an extra layer of convenience and control to your home security system. Beyond passive monitoring, the Tapo C530WS offers active security features designed to deter intruders and alert homeowners immediately. The camera can be configured to define virtual boundaries, and if an object or person crosses these limits, it triggers an alert. Simultaneously, the camera's integrated LED lights and speaker can emit warnings or flashing lights to scare off unwanted visitors. This proactive approach not only protects your property, but also reduces the likelihood of theft or vandalism. Setting up and managing the Tapo C530WS is straightforward. Thanks to the dedicated Tapo mobile app, the app features a modern, intuitive interface that allows users to adjust camera orientation, configure detection zones, and customize alert preferences with ease. For users looking for enhanced cloud storage and additional advanced functionalities, TP-Link offers a subscription service called Tapo Care. This paid plan provides extended video storage, detailed activity reports, and other premium features, giving users flexible options to tailor the system to their needs. The Tapo C530WS security camera impresses with a blend of durability, high-quality imaging, and intelligent features that make it an excellent choice for outdoor surveillance. Its IP66 weatherproof rating ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, while the dual external Wi-Fi antennas provide flexible and strong wireless connectivity. The 5-megapixel sensor delivering crisp 3K video resolution, combined with Starlight Color Night Vision, guarantees clear and vibrant footage day and night. Advanced AI-powered detection and two-way audio further elevate the system's usability and effectiveness, whether you are securing your home, office, or other property. The Tapo C530WS offers a reliable, feature-rich, and user-friendly solution to keep an eye on what matters most, no matter the weather or time of day.